Alright. So, went to Walmart yesterday.
Yeah.
Just looked at the Skylanders and happened upon these. 2 glow-in-the-dark sonic booms. Here. And we surprised the kids with them this morning.
My dad bought these today.
Yeah.
Actually, last night. Last night he went to Walmart, found these in a box. And he surprised us today. My brother Kanan was looking my brother Kanan, he was looking all around, and he looked up on his bed, and look what he found. Yeah! A glow-in-the-dark sonic boom.
Series 2.
Series 2. I didn't know how to thank my dad.